Welcome to South Fort Chevrolet. We are located at 10109 89th Ave in Fort Saskatchewan, Alberta, just outside of Edmonton, Alberta. We are looking at a 2012 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo in mineral gray metallic with a 3.6 liter V6 engine. It's got the chrome grille on the front, chrome green Jeep badging, fog lights, aluminum rims, hatch, tons of storage space, spare wheel underneath, moving inside the back seat, you've got power windows, dark medium greystone leather interior, pouches on the backs of the seats, cup holder folds down in the center. In the front, you got power windows, locks and mirrors on the door, headlight adjustments there, power seat with lumbar. On the steering wheel, you have voice activation and hands-free, as well as cruise control. And on the display, you have navigation, dual zone climate, Bluetooth, four-wheel drive settings there, shifter, and lighting and garage buttons on the roof. Thank you for watching this video of the 2012 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo in mineral gray metallic. If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and like this video on YouTube. If you'd like more info, give us a call or check our website.